Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your plain Jane corn on the cob and turn her into the spicy gochujang dressed corn on the cob for you. It is so easy and you're going to love it. And I'm going to show you how to take your romaine lettuce, grill it to perfection in a minute, and turn this into a spicy gochujang grilled lettuce salad. 오늘의 레시피, 옥수수 바비큐와 로메인 레터스 바비큐, 그리고 새콤달콤한 고추장 드레싱 만들기. Oh, that is so good. Easiest salad that you can make, right? Hi everyone, welcome to Modern Pepper and this is Helen. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. So today is part 2 of grilling in Mexico with Modern Pepper. Okay, I wish. No, that's just my neighbor having a fun party that I'm not invited to. And we're just gonna enjoy this festive music and get into the mood of grilling. To make our gochujang dressing sauce, I have 2 tablespoons of gochujang in there. And to that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. If you don't have balsamic vinegar, use any distilled white vinegar. And to that, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Wow, the music is on. Hope you're dancing, guys. And to this, we're gonna add 1 garlic clove. Using a microplane, make sure it's finely grated. Then turn it over. Make sure to scrape off anything that's stuck back there. And then we're just gonna mix this up. And then I'm gonna go in with the whisk. Make sure it mixes really well. The color is so pretty. Ooh, see, you wanted this velvety. Okay, I'm gonna put some on my finger and have a taste. The balsamic vinegar, ooh, that's a nice touch. Oh, this is spicy, but not too spicy and yummy. This is gonna be so good on our corn and our grilled lettuce.
Now, if you missed last week's Korean barbecue skewers recipe, make sure to check it out. These Korean barbecue skewers will be a hit at your next barbecue party. The video link will be in the description box below.
Make sure to preheat your grill to at least 400 or piping hot for 5 minutes. So you should hear that sizzling sound when you add your corn to your grill. If not, you need to preheat your grill a little longer. All right, so we're just gonna let these guys char on both sides and we'll be back. Okay, so while our corn is grilling, we're gonna get our romaine lettuce ready. Cut it towards the back and just split it open like so. We're gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're gonna put some salt. I'm using coarse sea salt. And then some black pepper. And then I'm just gonna kind of rub it in. So this one is falling off, so I'm gonna tuck it behind the big leaves like that. Make sure we get the seasonings everywhere. So it's been about 5 minutes and we're just wanna char them like that. So turn everything over. We're just gonna char it on the other side and be back. So our grill heat is still exceeding 400, which is what we want. And let's see if the corn's ready. Ooh, perfect. So we're gonna just move these guys to the side, like that. And we're gonna put our lettuce down, the one with the seasoning part down first. Like that. Second one. Face down like that, and we're just gonna let this grill for 1 to 2 minutes on super high heat. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna close the lid. All right, so it's been just a little over a minute on super high heat, and let's take a look. Oh, this is ready. We just want that charred mark on our romaine lettuce. We're gonna take it off the grill. We're not gonna cook the other side because we want it to be crunchy. Oh, look at that. That's exactly what we want. And this is ready. And our corn is ready. Okay. Done. We're gonna take our gochujang dressing that we made and we're just gonna drizzle it on top like that. You could add more or less depending on your preference. Ooh, smells so good. So on this first half, I'm going to put some grated Parmesan cheese. Ooh, that looks really good. Make it snow. And then I'm going to add a little more of the gochujang sauce. And some freshly minced Italian parsley. Ooh, that looks really, really yummy. And on the second half over here, I'm not gonna put any Parmesan cheese, but instead I'm gonna put, ooh, look at our beautiful canned sardines. If this doesn't get your appetite going, I don't know what will. Oh, wow. And then we're gonna put some smoked paprika, like that. Oh, that looks good. And some freshly minced Italian parsley like that. I'm gonna put more gochujang dressing on it. And then we're just gonna put some butter on our corn on the cob, like so. Our corn on the cob is nicely buttered. And then we're gonna drizzle our gochujang dressing. I don't think your corn on the cob has had some spicy dressing like this before. And then make it snow again with Parmesan cheese on top. If that doesn't make your mouth water, I don't know what will. Look at this. And then we're gonna finish it off with some freshly minced Italian parsley. So here's what I would do. I would just use a pair of scissors to cut up the lettuce. Oh, does that look good or what? This is gonna be so good in your mouth. Okay, bon appetit. The romaine lettuce is still crunchy, but it has this really smoky taste to it. Oh, and then the gochujang dressing with it. You're missing out if you don't have that. And then our anchovy, our sardines. I just need to now wash it down with like a nice glass of Pinot Noir or something like Chardonnay or something like that. Ooh, that is so good. Easiest salad that you can make, right? Cheers, everyone. Cheers. 여러분, 너무 맛있어요, 이거. Oh, and the sauce. That's really yummy. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, I wanna thank everyone for joining me in Mexico. No, I'm just kidding. I wish I was in Mexico. If you enjoyed watching today's video, please do click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. 여러분, 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼 눌러주세요. 구독 버튼도 눌러주시고요. 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. All right, folks, I will see you in my next video, and I'm just gonna go and hop over the fence and try to crash my neighbor's party. See you soon.